Yo, what up?
And I know you don't know me, fam, but my name Jeffrey. I just want to tell you, your girl been cheating on you.
On God.
On God.
Wow, that's why she don't be answering the phone.
Because you normally get off at 3, right?
Yeah.
Your buddy be leaving around 2:15, 2:20. He drive a black Impala, though. I think it's a 2019.
Oh, for real?
Oh, yeah. But next time he pull up, I'll shit on that car for you.
My man, I appreciate that.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna go check her, though.
Oh, all right.
Hey, how long you been staying over here?
Shoot, I've been in this tree for about 2 months now. I had flew down here from Atlanta because the housing was cheaper down here.
That sound about right. Well, shit, I'm gonna get back with you.
Oh, say less.